Media channel. Today we are going to make creamy pasta with mushroom and broccoli. Top with some Parmigiano reggiano cheese. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! Let's go through the ingredients for our creamy pasta and vegetables. We have Parmigiano reggiano cheese, onion, garlic, broccoli, parsley, mushroom, cooking cream, olive oil, black pepper, salt, 10 grams of butter, and of course our pasta.
We met, your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day hot.
The water is boiling. I put some olive oil, some salt, and our pasta. The water should be more enough that the pasta will be immersed totally inside it, and by 10 minutes it will be cooked. 10 minutes is up. I'll put a little salt in the boiling water and then cook the broccoli for just 1 minute. After 1 minute, I put it to cold water to cool down. I take it out and then put it in cold water to stop the cooking process, so that our broccoli will not be mashed in the pasta. The stove is set to medium. Pot's already hot. Olive oil, onion, garlic. Saute this for about 3 minutes before we add the mushroom. Mushroom is nicely cooked. I add the butter now. It can go now. It's about 150 ml. And we have some cheese. Make sure we get smooth and nice consistency of sauce with the strong flavor of the Parmigiano reggiano cheese. Now the sauce is thick and bringing out nice flavor from the cheese, mushroom, garlic, onion. Everything looks nice. Look how smooth the sauce is. Oh, this looks great. I can add the pasta now. Oh, this is lovely. I really like this. I can add more black pepper, a little bit more salt. In 1 minute's time, I will add the broccoli. The broccoli can go now. It is so rich and delicious. So in 2 minutes' time, our pasta will be ready. I think I can add more cheese to increase the richness of the pasta. I like Parmigiano reggiano cheese because it makes the sauce more smooth and the richness of the sauce is better than Parmesan cheese. That's why I choose this cheese whenever I'm making pasta sauce. But you can choose any cheese you want. If you want Parmesan cheese, you can use Parmesan cheese.
I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. My summer love, be waiting for you, my love.
Hello dear friends, the creamy pasta and vegetable is ready and the taste is just great. Please, this is very simple to make. Do try it at home and I know you are going to enjoy it. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.
so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer